Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, February 12th. Homework today, read 25 minutes. Study for your vocab quiz 3.3, which is tomorrow. So study. Portfolio paragraph number 14 is also due tomorrow. So make sure you are done with that rough draft and you can revise and edit tonight. And then finally, your study guide. You should be studying a little bit every night. And that test is a week from tomorrow. So that's the one that you cannot make up. Make sure you're going through your ELA test alert and identifying things that you need to study. For today's agenda, you're going to be going through some win time again. You are given the option to work on your poem. So that's the only difference between win time yesterday and win time today. You can work on your poem if you have not completed it. So everything else is pretty much the same. You may be pulled for speaking and listening if you haven't already been pulled by Mrs. Pomager. You have the performance task that you can be working on with me if I pull you. The test prep study guide is something you can be looking at, poem, and then IR time. Next, we're going to be doing some figurative language review, which is using your own peers' writing samples to look at things like personification, metaphor, simile, and so forth. Then we will have some more Grammaropolis. We will listen to the rest of the video from common, proper, concrete, and abstract nouns, review the difference between concrete and abstract nouns, and then at the end we're going to have a round-robin activity, kind of like we did yesterday. And then if you guys can be on task and focused, we will be able to play some Trash Get Ball, which is, if you remember from a couple weeks ago, where you are going to be practicing writing sentences as a group, and then you can earn points by shooting baskets into the trash can. So that is our plan for today, and have a great Wednesday. Thanks.